So let's go ahead and take a look at Nike learning to play with her toy. Okay, so I have Nike here. She was a puppy camper of mine recently, and she is working through some preferences with toys. She really would prefer one toy over the other. And so I was working on building dedication to the toys, regardless of what it is, specifically with the game Fetch. So you can see I have my Frisbee. At home, she was doing some really good pickups and almost delivered to hands, probably about 20% of the time with those. So I thought I could just start with some rollers with this. But apparently this toy is just too much with this distraction, and she is just like, nope, I'm not going for that toy. You have this one in your hand. So that's a good example of how I work through when I run into a problem. So first 2 tries were a failed attempt. I need her to be right on the 3rd try. So I just asked her to take the toy, and she did, which she got a big reaction and access to the toy she wants. So I was just holding that toy out there. She put her mouth on it, and she doesn't have great markers yet. So I just said, yay, and kind of an explosion of play. So we'll see that again here. Let me present the toy to her. And getting the toy back is always a thing. Like, I don't want to force them to out or anything like that. So mouth on it gets the reaction. So I kind of let them kind of fizzle out the play themselves. So you can see I'm tugging, and I'm very active when I want them to be tugging. And then when I'm ready to start the next rep, I'll kind of go still with it, kind of let them shift their focus. And you'll see I'll take up as much of the toy as I possibly can, keep it from being fun. Now we're trying roller. Criteria here was just pick up. As soon as she turned back to me with it in her mouth, she got a yay and some more play. And then we run into a little bit of problem here. I think she doesn't see me throw this one. So she's still on this toy. So this is really good, important. Like, your dog has to be looking before you throw the toy. Otherwise, they're just not going to see it. So now I have to go get this toy, and it's a whole thing. It kind of breaks her focus a little bit. So she's back to this. And now she's like, yeah, I see it, but do I really have to pick it up? Nope. And so this is how I handle it if they don't meet criteria. I just go get that toy, get them back interested in it again, try to keep the other one behind my back. You can see there she questioned it, but she picked it up, and she got her reward. Good girl, Nike.